This pristine home on a sunny double lot equaling 0.3 acres in Sudden Valley is move-in ready. The open floor plan makes it easy to entertain, so you never miss out on the conversation with guests when cooking in the kitchen. The gas fireplace in the living room provides cozy nights when the temperature drops. The large back deck means the party can continue outside. The kitchen features quartz countertops, quartz farm-style sink, double oven, LG stainless appliances, under-counter lighting, and a stone backsplash. The home has newer carpeting and flooring and refinished wood floors. The front stairs and back deck have new composite decking for easy care. The fully fenced and private backyard makes it safe for pets and little ones. There's room in the sunny yard to grow flowers and vegetables without the threat of deer. The yard backs up to a green belt area with a creek, so you can enjoy a lovely view of the woods. New roof, gutters, downspouts, gutter guard and skylights installed in 2025, so all the large maintenance projects are done. There is also a Simply Safe security system that comes with the house. The Sudden Valley community features parks, playgrounds, trails, 2 community gardens, beaches, dog parks, marina, wet/dry slips, a boat launch, tennis and pickleball courts, a community pool, fitness center, and an 18-hole golf course.